Goodbye Chamberlain, South Dakota. He's hiding in the shade already, even though it's 10 AM. But to be fair, it's hot up there today. Right, we'll give it a go. My clothes are in the hands of the gods now. Oh, I think we got the hang of that in the end, didn't we?
Yeah, it took a while.
It's different over here. You gotta get downy, you gotta get some bleach stain thinger. And they sell it in a little box of powder, which is just completely bizarre. Get our laundry done and we'll be on our way to Minnesota.
Come on.
In the United States of America. Thought I'd take the opportunity to come out, fill the car up, and just chill by the Missouri River for a little bit. I mean, it's a lovely day for it. Well, he's not outside. Hopefully he's gathering it all up for us. Ah, here he is. Right, kid.
You came back then, I thought you'd left me.
Oh, I just went and chilled by the river for a bit.
Yeah, it's a nice little town, this.
And filled the car up. It only took 24.
To fill him, what was he, 3.5?
No. Yeah, 3.5. Yeah.
Wow. Living the dream.
Right, laundry done. Got a real can of American Coke for the road. Proper size that. Not that none of these small tins that we get back home. And yeah, 6 hours on the road. Minnesota. Here we come, baby. Heading east. Last little bits of South Dakota.
Oh yeah.
Look at it. Not a cloud in the sky. We've been spoiled for the nice weather here, haven't we, sir?
Yep, nice and sunny.
A little too warm, or?
Well, the aircon's on, so it's lovely.
This is South Dakota, brother. I've got to say this. It's been the same scenery for the last... well, how long have we been driving now? About
an hour.
It's been exactly the same. Hasn't changed. Are we going to see anything different in Minnesota, do you think?
Probably not.
Alright. La 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 Minnesota. Our last sightings of South Dakota before we head in to Minnesota. Another new one for me, sir.
Oh yes, another state to add to the list.
So we started in California, then it was Nevada, then Utah, then it was Idaho, Wyoming,
and then
Montana, South Dakota, and now Minnesota. South Dakota and Minnesota, they're the two new ones for me. There's a lot of new ones for you on this, isn't there, sir?
Yes.
Come on. Your first peek at Minnesota. Oh, it's brilliant. I'll tell you what, I can't wait to get to the hotel and have a nice cold beer tonight, because it is a warm one today, people.
On the warm side.
We want cold refreshments. And lots of big eats. Because we skipped lunch again today. I'll tell you what, they don't look after their roads as well here in Minnesota. On the road again. We've been driving about 45 minutes now from Minnesota. How many cornfields do you reckon we've seen?
Thousands.
They like a bit of corn out here. Well, I'd love to show you more, people, but it's just literally cornfields out here. There's nothing else.
Cornfields and turbines.
Cornfields and chaos. British confusion. Tell you what, let's look at Chief there. He's more interesting than looking out the window. Do something funny for us. Entertain us. We came for scenery, not endless flat greenery. Wow, Chief, would you look at that? There's some more cornfields. I'm surprised by that.
There can't be more cornfields, surely.
Sorry, was that too corny? Show the viewers what you got there then.
I was in the shop and I just saw this bag of sweets with a random face on it. Have a look at that bad boy.
Yes! Get in there!
Get in there, lad.
Well done, lads.
You don't need us after all.
We've just seen our local dart team. They've won their game tonight. Come on.
Woo!
We'll be painting the town red tonight in Minnesota. Up the darts. the lakes. There's our first lake. We've just seen a sign for the Jolly Green Giant Museum. Ho ho ho, Green Giant. Land of the Lakes, sir. More like Land of the Cornflakes. It's been a long drive, this one, hasn't it, Chief?
Yeah, it's been one of the longer days.
We have a problem. We seem to be heading for Houston.
Houston, we have a problem.
The landscape's changing a bit now. This is the first hill we've seen for miles. It's like being back in North Somerset now. There's Clevedon and Portishead in the distance. This is Minnesota, baby. Right, we kind of made it then.
Was that the place you were on about, that Time Out Tavern?
Yeah, that's the one.
So we don't even have to cross the road.
Exactly. Yeah, no one's using the charger there.
There was somebody might this.
Bollocks.
What are we going to find?
Bollocks.
There's parking just down there, look.
You'll pay it, won't you?
I'm not paying for it.
Room check for the Best Western Minnesota. La Crescent.
A Crescent?
La Crescent.
A Crescent, young man.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Like they all are. They're all fine, really. Well, sir, we've had one hell of a long drive today.
It's been a long day today, bro.
We've travelled across the whole of Minnesota, it feels like. I mean, there's obviously a lot more in the north that we've missed, but from what we did see, it just looked like cornfields and cornfields and some cornfields and maybe some cornfields. We saw some more, yeah. So it's time to go into the Time Out Tavern, have a little bit of grub, you know, something to eat, something to drink, and get a nice beer in. Oh look, helicopter. Beer, we want beer, we want beer. Ah, it worked. Oh, it's cold. This is so nice and cold and refreshing, amazing and brilliant. Cut to me eating a Cuban sandwich. Yes, here we go. Yeah, guys, rhythming, yeah? Chief, look. I've got 180. Oh, left. Double tops. Just like that. 140, Chief.
69.
My favourite number, that one. 121. Low ton, that one.
We've got a bounce that he gets to play again. The lady luck is on his side. Oh, he did it as well.
Get in there, you bastard! Come on! Another ton 40.
Unbelievable. Just another one for him.
I tell you what, I might ask the Coventry Darts League if we can use soft tip. Goose to retire, 32. That was in. That was in.
3 on the floor. You couldn't make it up. Every time.
I need Mike Simmons to sharpen me darts for me. Well, at least it stayed in the board.
Got in the board, that.
Let's go for it. Wins by technicality.
Yeah, cobblers. It ain't like real darts. 125.
Was it? I thought it was a 140.
Oh, what an absolute disaster.
Oh, he had 151. Ah, he's busted. Game shot